Hi, Doc Revis here with Watch Me Work It. Graham's Law math issues in dealing with the Graham's Law square root. What I'm going to do is work a problem that a student worked and got stuck when we got to this part of the math. So I want to show you how to get past that, okay? So let's look at the problem. The problem is bromine travels at 338 meters per second at room temperature. What is the travel rate of ozone at the same temperature? Since it's at the same temperature, we can use the straightforward Graham's law, which is R1 over R2 equals the molar mass of 2 divided by the molar mass of 1. This student chose to use small m's. I suggest you might want to use larger m's or double m's. But anyway, this is the formula for it, and it does work, and it is a proper formula. Okay, so what we do next is we basically put in the variables. And be sure to match the variables. R1 in this case, we defined as bromine, so it would be R1 for bromine, and it would be matched diagonally with its molar mass. So we have bromine as R1, and diagonally matched with its molar mass. Bromine is a diatomic gas, therefore it's 159.81, which is twice the elemental molar mass of bromine. And so next, we have the variable on the bottom, the unknown, that is, R2, and it's matched diagonally with ozone's molar mass of 48 grams per mole. So once we reach this point, then it's a matter of processing the math through your calculator. Okay, however, you want to watch how you do the math so you can get the proper answer. So I'm just going to show you how that works. So what we simply do is take the square root in our calculator. There's a square root sign assigned to the calculator, and we say 48 divided by 159. We punch through that, and we get the value of 0.55, approximately 0.55. So once you're at this point, what you have is a mathematical equation that looks like this. You have 338 meters per second over the unknown R2 equals 0, I've taken the square root of that, 0.5408, and all the rest of the digits. I'm just going to stop right here. So once we get this, this is a matter, the math thing to do here is to simply exchange places with the diagonals. And you can solve this. So this would be 338 meters squared per gram. Exchange the diagonals, just a math operation, equals R2. So that's what you do. Once you get here, just exchange the diagonals and divide. If you divide that through, you will get the value shown here, which is approximately 616 or 617, depending on how we do the round offs. Okay, and so that's how you will work it. The real key is that once you get to this part, use the math rule. Simply exchange the math operation. That is, exchange places with the denominator and the value that's diagonal to it. Then punch it through on your calculator. So that's how we do it.